Welcome back to Al's Kitchen. Now, as promised, today we're going to be doing something from Cyprus. What we're doing, remember I told you about chicken in the oven that I used to eat when I was a kid? That's what we're doing today. Also, you can call it chicken tavas. Now, if you've been to Cyprus and Greece, you might have had a lamb tavas, a beef tavas. They also do chicken, rabbit. So today we're doing a chicken tavas. And it's really simple. It takes about an hour in time. The ingredients are few, but the taste is amazing. Now, get your ovens on at the highest temperature. I've got mine set just below 250, so that makes it even more simple to remember. Just whack up the heat. It's going to be cooked nice, the chicken's going to be tender, and the flavours are going to be awesome. So anyway, this is to celebrate my citizenship to Cyprus. I'm now officially recognised by the government as being one of their own. So if this country starts to sink, I'm jumping ship to sunny Cyprus. Let's go through the ingredients of this chicken tavas. Come take a look. Now, I've sliced 3 large onions. There's about 500 grams of onion here. Slice it long ways. And I've also sliced just in half 4 large tomatoes. I've chopped up potatoes. These are Maris pipers. The full recipe will be listed in the description box below. And also for our seasoning, we've got oregano. We've got just under a teaspoon of cinnamon, some nice coarse black pepper, and the all not so important bay leaf. Now, I don't know whether you've heard the history of the bay leaf and why Greeks and Mediterranean people put this in so many dishes, even though it adds absolutely nothing. About 1,000 years ago, there was a guy in Cyprus called Soukis. And Soukis never had much money, and he was hungry, didn't even have a job. What they had lots of in Cyprus was bay leaf trees. So he could smell the aromas of all the cooking coming from the villages, from the various families and peoples. So he went and picked all the leaves off the trees. And you could say he became one of the first salesmen in the Mediterranean. So Soukis would go to these villages and he'd smell the kleftiko, he'd smell the souvlaki, he'd smell the tavas cooking. And he'd go to the people, go, hello my friend, you know using the bay leaf? You don't put the bay leaf in the souvlakis? You don't put the bay leaf in the kleftiko? Oh my God, my friend. He'd crack one and he'd say, smell my friend, hello. And I'd smell it and it'd smell nice. You need to put this, change the flavor, is awesome. Oh my God, you need to put this in the cooking. So he'd sell the bay leaves to all these village people and they'd buy them and they'd put them in. And they would believe it would make a difference. It made none. The only difference it made was putting money in Soukis' pocket. And Soukis became very rich and he died a very full, happy man. Meanwhile, to this day, we're still putting these useless leaves in our cooking. And I'm not one to break tradition. Story over. So let's build this tavas in our oven tray. And that's the fun part, building this, because it's so easy. Let's start. So take your onions. Place those evenly in the tray. The next thing, we're going to place the tomatoes in the tray. And again, you know, there's no right or wrong way, just stick them all in. That's done nice. And then we're going to put in the chicken. I've got 8 chicken thighs. They're skinless and boneless. And just find a place for them. Right, and last to go in is the potatoes. Shove those in. Yeah, I'm not going to use all those potatoes. Place the lovely bay leaves in there. Doesn't that look pretty? That's all they're fit for. They'll add nothing. And into that, we're going to just add the cinnamon. Just dust that over the top. Then what we do is I've added 2 chicken stock. You always use Knorr. In Cyprus, they tend to use Knorr. They use other brands too. But in this country, you'll find it easy to get Knorr stock. 2 stock to 1 pint, and you just pour that in. And then we take the oregano. I don't measure this out. All I do is I just put a nice layer on the top. Just make sure things are covered. Cypriot housewives rarely measure anything. Take black pepper. Half a lemon, squirt that on top. Remember, this all becomes part of the juice. Now look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And that is going to go in the oven. And I'm very lucky because this tray, I don't even have to use foil or anything. And not forgetting, lastly, a nice drizzle of olive oil. That is beautiful, look at that. Mediterranean meal in one tray. This is going to feed a family of 4. 50 minutes. This is going to be delicious. I'll catch you in 50. Anyway, so I hope you weren't mugs at home believing my story about the bay leaves. It was a joke. Talking of mugs, I've got some for sale. Go check out the link in the description. They come in red and white, blue and white, and the all original black. And even this is all embossed, and it's got a lovely bumpy texture to it. The aprons are still on sale. I've got a few more in. They make a good stocking filler for Christmas, but when they're gone, they're gone. Yamas! Oh, with us again. Stop the music. So, 50 minutes up. Let's check how this is doing. Oh, beautiful. Right, so we've got 10 minutes to go, but what I want you to do is just smash the tomatoes. You don't have to dissolve them, you just smash them down. And all that tomato juice in those tomatoes becomes part of the gravy. That's it. Now just to brown things off a little bit, it just goes back in the oven, 10-15 minutes more. And it will be perfected. Back on with the music. All done. Lovely and beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous, that. You would serve this with a feta salad, but we used to have it with the salad on the plate with the tavas, and the liquid from the tavas would run through all the lettuce and all the salad. And yeah, it's a bit weird, but when you eat the salad and then the chicken and the potatoes, oh, it's just beautiful. Let's plate some of this up. Let me taste this. And look at the potatoes, cooked to perfection, piping hot. Let's see if the chicken's cooked. It's just falling apart. That's just sensational. Please do this at home. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let's connect. Let me know what you think. If you've loved this video, please, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like and subscribe. And don't forget to buy your aprons. When they're gone, they are gone. Been a pleasure as always. Love you all. And I'm out of here. Beautiful.